Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So, like I said in the description of the last video, I just got a new mount. As y'all can see, I'm finally able to talk and drive with both hands. Right now we're on our way to get our car aligned because this is what happens. Y'all see that? Hold on. Let me do it one more time. Hold on. Look. Y'all see that, right? We can't have that. So we're on our way. Look, I was supposed to be there at 3 o'clock, but I'm running late. It says we get there at 3:33, and I already let the guy know, yo, I'm gonna pull up at like 3:30 or 4, just because I don't like playing with people's time. If I tell you a time, I always try to be on time. If not, I'll definitely communicate and let you know if I'm running late, if I'm not gonna make it, just because I don't like when people play with my time. I also wanted to mention, I just got my front lip in the mail. I have my lowering springs literally sitting in my back room. I'm literally just waiting on the bump stop from Dynan. They told me it was on back order. It was supposed to ship out, I think, a week ago, but it still hasn't shipped. I contacted them and they told me it should be arriving any day now. So maybe I'll get it next week or at most 2 weeks from now. And that part comes in from Dynan. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car, put the front lip on, put the mirror caps, and then see where we go from there. I know I want to get side skirts. I know I want to get a diffuser. I know I want to paint match the reflectors. I know I want to get a carbon fiber spoiler for the car. I just don't know which one. I don't like the exaggerated ones. I think I'm gonna go with like an OEM G80 spoiler. I just need to find it. This car is coming along good. I still need to paint correct my car. That is one thing that bugs me about this car. I honestly don't know why the GPS is telling me to take this way. Was that lightning? Did you guys see that? No way we caught lightning on camera again. Let me see where this is at. Holy shit. Last time it was windy and raining, I was driving under trees like this and a branch fell on my car and I swerved it like this and it still hit that side of the car and it left like little nicks and dings on my hood. So now that happened, every time it's windy and I'm under trees, I always be on alert. The funny thing is, I was gonna wash my car today because I'm going to a car meet, I think at 7, but thank God I didn't wash my car. Thank God I did not wash my car. There's like 8 car meets today. I don't even know which one to go to. Word. What is this? Like, are we in spring or is it summer? Like, I don't understand. Alright guys, so we're basically here. So I'm gonna put the camera down and let them align my wheels. Don't you guys hate when the city just messes up a street that didn't need to be messed up? Like, they're gonna fix the street for no reason because there's nothing wrong with it. I don't understand. But right now we're gonna go meet up with my friend. He also has an M340. We're gonna meet up with him and then we're gonna head out to the meet. Yo, let's go, bro. Alright guys, so we just met up with my boy Noel. He also has an M340. We gonna mob over there. Hopefully this camera angle is good. Yo, I love this car, man. Man, I love this car. If you guys are thinking about buying an M340, this is your sign right here. Just go ahead, save up the money, grind, stop buying bullshit. I used to always say, hold on, let me actually talk to y'all. I always used to be the guy that would be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy a car in 2 months and 3 months at the end of the year. But I would continue to still buy bullshit. I would continue to still buy shoes that I'm never gonna wear. I would continue to buy clothes that I'm never gonna wear because I don't go outside. I would just continue to spend money on bullshit. And it took me, don't get me wrong, it didn't just happen right away. Like, I set a goal and I was tunnel vision. I knew I wanted an M340. I knew I had to save up this amount of money. I knew I had to do this, I had to do that. And I did it. And if I could do it, trust me, you can do it too. If any of y'all know me, y'all know I'm not capping. Like, y'all know I'm speaking the truth. Hold on, let me... Oh my God. Anyways, like I was saying, guys, if I could do it, you could do it too. Trust me. His car has so much more pops than mine does. These roads is giving me a chance to test out my tires. I'm so glad I went with the black with blue stitching. I love it. Oh, I forgot to mention, I actually got, here, let me hide that. But I actually got my wheels aligned today. As y'all can see, this is the before up here, and this is the after right here. So yeah, we did get that aligned because on the highway it was veering left, and I'm not a fan of that. Apparently there's a car meet here, but I see no cars. I see no cars, bruh. Oh, I see cars. This car meet is dead. I'm about to go home.
I'm like, what am I gonna do with it? And we put Serena's car seat in the back. And he puts the roof on, and Serena's like,
Yeah, that's tu mi stavo lo mai parliamo sempre. Volevamo che poi si va, no? Molto bello. Oh, he doesn't even have a camera. Who said that in the car?